This is a videotape inspection of the Hanwha ML26. We do have the doors off the machine right now. Main spindle side, that was at 3,500 RPM. And it's on blocks, it's not bolted down, so it's rocking a little bit. This machine has ID/OD turning and a sub-spindle pickup with a parts catcher. Sub-spindle going in. This has a Fanuc Series 0T control. This concludes our videotape inspection of this Hanwha ML26.